Hello and welcome back to MTDCNC. I'm your host, Tony Gunn, and today I'm here to talk about something that too many machine shops overlook: the importance of cutting fluid management. Cutting fluid may compromise for less than 1% of your total budget, but it impacts every single part of your operation. Cutting fluid extends cutting tool life, improves surface finishes, provides corrosion protection, and evacuates chips. But along the way, it also collects tramp oil, chips, and other contaminants, carrying them back to the sump. Contaminated coolant can reduce tool life and production while increasing machine downtime and maintenance costs. So how do you keep coolant clean? Well, here are some tips on basic cutting fluid management from our friends at Master Fluid Solutions. 1. Check fluid concentration in your sump. Be sure to take the measurement on a daily basis and add the necessary amount and dilution of makeup coolant to bring concentration back to the recommended level. This simple step will optimize coolant performance all on its own. 2. Perform simple machine maintenance. Machines have systems that interact with the coolant, such as filters, screens, and chip conveyors. Check filters regularly, clean screens, and maintain coolant through systems and chip conveyor filtration. These maintenance items can reduce coolant issues such as foam. 3. Monitor the sump for tramp oil and remove it immediately before it emulsifies. The latest generations of cutting fluid are designed to reject tramp oil to float to the top for easy removal. You can either skim tramp off the surface manually or purchase specialized equipment like oil skimmers and coalescers that collect oil from the sump automatically. Once it becomes emulsified, the only way to remove tramp oil is with a centrifuge. 4. Perform thorough machine cleanouts. Proper coolant management procedures will help to remove chips and other contaminants that collect throughout the operation. Chip buildup in the sump create the perfect environment for bacteria to grow and cause foaming and fluid delivery issues. If you let this go unchecked long enough, the fluid will require a full machine cleanout and replacement, and nobody wants that. Make sure to thoroughly clean the entire machine, including chip conveyors and tool changers. When performing a full machine cleanout, a sump cleaner such as Master Stage's Whamex is recommended. It will make your machine cleanouts quicker and fluid last longer. Number 5, invest in fluid management equipment. With the Zybex brand, Master Fluid Solutions offers a full line of fluid management equipment such as mixers, sump suckers, and recycling systems. These tools can make fluid maintenance much easier and reduce downtime. Coolant recycling systems can greatly reduce coolant disposal costs and keep the fluid in the best condition possible. Even the most well-maintained cutting fluid will eventually need to be replaced. At the end of its useful life, remove all fluid from the sump and schedule a pickup by a certified disposal company. Conduct a thorough cleaning of the sump and machinery before replenishing with a new batch of cutting fluid and beginning the cycle again. Cutting fluid management isn't glamorous, but the cost savings it generates are well worth the effort. Spending a few minutes each day on maintenance can reduce machine downtime from fluid changeouts, deep cleanings, and tool replacement, maximizing output while cutting material costs. Follow these tips and you can be well on your way to eliminating fluid waste from your operation. But don't hesitate to reach out for more support at masterfluids.com. Thank you all for watching MTDCNC, and we will see you again soon.